Multi-Indies TPSL EA, FXdreema EA structure explained. Welcome to Mqlrobot EAS. In this video, we'll walk you through the structure of the Multi-Indies TPSL EA, designed and built using FXdreema, a powerful no-code platform for creating automated trading strategies for MetaTrader 4. This EA is a multi-strategy system combining the power of 5 independent trading systems, each with its own unique logic and indicator set. The goal is simple: achieve trading stability, signal confirmation, and diversified entry logic. System breakdown: System 1, MA crossover with triple confirmation. Uses multiple moving averages to confirm short-term trend direction before placing a trade. System 2, Williams %R plus MA filter combines oversold overbought signals with trend confirmation from moving averages. System 3, Heiken Ashi plus Bollinger Bands, utilizes Heiken Ashi candle color plus Bollinger Band breakout logic for momentum entries. System 4, Money Flow Index plus RSI, a volume plus momentum-based strategy that requires confluence between MFI and RSI levels. System 5, Parabolic SAR plus ADX, targets strong trends only when both parabolic SAR and ADX confirm the market momentum. Each of these systems is independently controllable through EA inputs, allowing you to enable or disable specific strategies based on market conditions or personal preference. Built-in risk management. This EA includes individual take profit and stop loss levels for each system. You can define the lot size, indicator parameters, and exit settings for each strategy block, providing full control and customization. Important usage: note, before using this EA in a live trading environment, fully understand each trading strategy included in the system. Run detailed 99.9% tick data backtests. Ensure your broker conditions, spread, execution slippage are compatible. Evaluate and adjust risk per strategy according to your account size. This is a template for professional traders and strategy developers looking to test diversified signal entry combinations under one unified EA. EA download and details. You can get the EA from the official store at Mqlrobot.com. And if you're new to FXdreema, check out our full playlist, Build a Forex EA Robot, no code, FXdreema. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Mqlrobot EAS for more no-code EA projects and strategy breakdown.